In the hospital last night. I should have went 5 days ago when I felt like this. I thought it would pass. And I've been trapped in the house. Actually, last 2 days, Bruce brought me food for the last 2 days. Fucking go down. I don't even want to leave this place. I'm very sick. The infection went into my lungs too. My lungs are infected. My sinuses. And fucking things going all through my whole body. I'm suffering. Meow, my patches. These are the older pigeons. Hello, pigeons. You want me? I got a couple of pieces of bread left from yesterday. You guys hungry? Hold on. I got some stale bread I've been saving for them. So, stale bread for the birds. Stale bread for the boys. September 18th, 2018. It is, the time now is, oh, good God, 7:39 a.m. September 18th, 2018. Hello, yeah, you want to see what it is? It's another camera. Oh, the birds, you scared them away? Here, I'll throw some bread down, see if we can get them. I'll put the camera here for a second. Let's see. Oops. Wait a minute. Put this here. Here, put the camera next to it. Interesting sky. Cloud banks coming right together over my head. But right up there, you can see like all the gravity waves in this thing. It's all being funneled that way. I think they're doing it electronically too. Absolutely. They can steer the jet stream. They can push clouds in different directions. Mother Nature could be doing it. I don't see any planes leaving, no chemtrails. A little while now, because I've been inside, I've been sick. You know, when it's raining, if they are doing it, they're doing it above the cloud layer. Oh, God. Birds. There's a bird right there. Come on, birds. You're throwing out some nice bread here. I only got 3 pieces. This is piece number 2. Oh, here's a ringing now. Oh no, that's bread. You guys don't eat bread. Although you do surprise me every now and then. She did eat. Jody ate a piece of this. You know, yesterday I did this. Or the day before yesterday. That's it. That's all the bread. I got some seeds here. No seeds in this bag. transfer all the seeds out to the pond. All right, see this guy? You can see all like in the cloud layer over there that's forming. You can see all of the gravity-like waves, you know, throughout the cloud. It's very interesting. See, I don't even see any aircraft this morning. Nothing. No aircraft. I haven't seen anything. I've been up. Very interesting.